Hey guys, it's Rhonda, and I wanted to show you this new AI platform that I came across this week. It's called Higgsfield AI. It's basically like an AI aggregator where it has multiple image generation models, multiple video generation models in here, and you can use a bunch of them, all in one location. It's pretty cool. It looks pretty overwhelming when you hit the home page, but overall, it seems fairly simple to use. Before we really get into it, I want to show you the pricing, though, just so you're aware right away. There's multiple plans. You have your basic plan, $9 a month. Then you have your pro plan that's $29 if you pay monthly. But once you get into the pro and the ultimate and the creator plans, I want to show you something that's really cool. We have 365 unlimited. And what that means is for exactly 1 year from the day you sign up, you get unlimited generations at no cost. You're not using credits for these. So depending on what model, like right here, it says Image Generations 365 Unlimited. We're talking Kling 1 image, Z image, Nano Banana, Flux 2 Pro, C Dream, Soul, Revi, GPT image, Face Swap, all that. And then individual models. Flux 2 Pro 1K is completely unlimited with no use of credits. Nano Banana, C Dream 4.0. So, even though you might only be getting 600 credits per month, basically that equals, 300 generations with Nano Banana Pro. You get access to a lot of these other models that won't be using any credits. If you go with the ultimate plan, you have C Dream 4.0, Nano Banana, Flux 2 Pro, Flux 2 Flex, C Dream 4.5, Mini Max Hailu, Kling Motion, and Nano Banana Pro 2K, all completely unlimited without using any of your credits for a full year. So that is really, really, a great buy right there all by itself. So I'm just going to go in here. I'm going to hover at the top here. We'll go back to the home page, and you can see across the top you have your menu. And the first one is Explore. You can take a look at presets, examples, things like that, which is, what you'll see right here. And then Image, if you hover over that, we have our Create Image, Studio Image, Storyboard, Create a Unique Character, Relight, which is adjust lighting, position, color, in painting, upscaling. You can do face swap, character swap, draw to edit, which means if you give it a rough sketch and tell it what you want it to do, it will turn that into a image or a picture for you. Insta dump, turn a selfie into a content library. Photo dump studio, generate an aesthetic. And then we have the different models that they have available. They have their own proprietary Higgsfield Soul, Higgsfield Popcorn for like storyboard, edit, create, Nano Banana Pro, C Dream 4.5, GPT Image 1.5, Flux 2, Z Image, Kling 01 Image, WAN 2.2 Image, Revi, and Topaz. Okay? And then you have a bunch of video tools too. Create a video, studio video, edit videos, click to add, turn a product URL into a video ad, Sora 2, Lip Sync Studio, draw to video. So a ton of different crazy tools in here. And then again, you have your models. You have the Higgsfield, Sora, VO 3.1, CDance, WAN, Kling, Hailu, Kling avatars. And then you have editing tools, edit video in Paint, AI stylist, all kinds of things in here. And the models that can be used with that, Nano Banana, product placement, Topaz, Kling motion control, Kling 01 edit. And then we have character, so you can do face swap, character swap, video face swap, stylist, recast studio, where you can swap characters and videos. Again, here's your sole ID character, creating unique characters, and it's just a ton. So now what we typically, as digital product creators, use AI image generation for are our designs for t-shirt designs, for tumbler wraps, for junk journals, things of that nature, clip art. So the first thing I want to show you right here, I said they do the sketch draw to video. This was a sketch of a really, really bad bow that I did, that I just uploaded, told it what I wanted to do, and it created it for me. It created a watercolor bow for me from my horrible, horrible drawing, which right here is the drawing that I uploaded. And I just told it, turn this into a watercolor coquette bow in pink. And you see what it did. It turned it into a watercolor coquette bow just that quickly. And I have just been running some tests here. Let me scroll down to the bottom. I'll be showing you some of these tests I did. And I'll show you the prompts that I used. If we go over here to our community, into our private community under our daily prompts, I took some of our daily prompts that I give and I generate them in a bunch of different models, so you know exactly what looks good in what model before you bother wasting your credits and your time. So I'm going to take this embroidered illustration of a raccoon, all right, and I'm going to bring that over here, and I'm just going to run it through a few of these different models that they have here. So I'm just going to paste that in, and I'm going to do it under their proprietary Higgsfield Soul, which is completely unlimited, generate for free. And you can choose down here your aspect ratio, your resolution, prompt enhance. I keep this turned off so it stays more in line with my original prompt. You can choose to generate between 1 and 4 images, and it does have this unlimited button. If we turn that on, we can use it, but then we can only generate 1 image at a time, which is just fine. But since we're using Soul, we can generate for free even when we're generating more than 1 image. So let's come up here and see what we get that's still generating. So I'm going to start running it under, let's do Nano Banana. And here we go. You can see it did give us the embroidered feel that we were going for. So that came out looking pretty good. There's the other version. I think the first one's a little better, but we are getting the faux embroidery look that we asked for. Now, I know a lot of us, we use Nano Banana, so I'm going to run through some of these that we may not see in others. This Z image, and I'm going to turn that on to unlimited, so it's going to drop us down here to 1 image, and just click create. Now, I've been doing a ton of testing, and I have 99% of my credits left. I have 1186 out of 1200, and I've been doing a ton of image generation, and most of the time I've been doing at least 2 images, so I haven't even been getting necessarily my free generations every time. And I'm going to do one here in Revy, and again I'm going to turn that down here, and I'm going to turn unlimited on for 1 image at a time. Now it seems to be a little bit slower sometimes than some of the others. Now this is the Z image, and that looks really, really good. That is great, and that's one of the cheaper image models in here. So even if you didn't have the unlimited turn on, let me go back here to Z image, and let's say I wanted to create 4 images at a time. Right now this is unlimited, so even though I'm doing 4, it doesn't matter. And this is Revy, and it did a really nice job of giving us the faux embroidery look as well. And let's see what else we have in here that we may not be used to using too much. And then here is our Z image, another generation, and that came out really, really, really nice. I like that. And we can animate in this, have the raccoon that's just turning its head slowly, and we can generate our image, our video from this, and we can choose the model we want to use. Let's use the Higgsfield just to see what it looks like. So we're going to generate that quick, and we'll give that a second to generate the video. Okay, so this finished, and let's see what it does. And that looks pretty darn good. So, you know, you can create videos from the images that you generate. Let's grab another prompt here and check it out. Let's see how it does on like these fine art styles like the cubism and things like that. So let me grab that prompt, and we'll come back over here and we will run Z image. We'll put unlimited on, we'll do 1, and we will run it under Higsfield Soul as well. We'll do that, and we will run it through Revy as well. Like I said, you know, most of us are really familiar with GPT 1.5, Seedream, Nano Banana, things like that. I really want to show you Flux, the generating models that are in here that we may not see typically inside of like Kittl or Recraft that many of us may already use. So these look pretty good. Z image is awesome. That looks fantastic. Higsfield Soul, that looks good. It's different, but it's still a really great interpretation of the prompt. And Revy did a really good job too. It's just, you know, what you like, what you want. So that one looked really good. And let's just see here. Let's see some basic clip art here, okay? Let's do something like this. It's just a bulldog. And you see what we got from our normal generators, you know, from GPT, from Nano, things like that. So let's run this through Revy. Z image and Higsfield Soul, and we'll see what that does. All right, but I really just wanted to show you this platform because there are so many tools inside of here that you can do so many different things with, and I am blown away by the unlimited generations feature for some of these different models. You know, if we do you know, like I said, we have free access to even Nano Banana Pro. This one is okay. I'm not a big fan of that one. That's the Higsfield Soul. But we have the Z image that came out really nice. Revy came out really nice. Let me click on this again. It is blurry. It's not, you know, but that we could turn on our enhanced prompt too, and it may make a huge difference for us, you know. But I just absolutely love that we can, let me see, let me go grab Nano Banana Pro here. Turn this on, turn unlimited on, and you know, I can do that one image at a time and get free 2K Nano Banana Pro images every day. You know, I can, as long as I'm doing it one image at a time, instead of trying to generate, you know, 2-4 images at a time. This is great. Now it does put you in like the standard queue. If you want your things done faster, you can turn this off, but then you will, you know, pay some credits for it. But even then, it's only 2 credits, which isn't bad at all. So let's grab another prompt quick while that one is doing its thing. Scroll through here. This was a pretty cool one. This was a Bigfoot. It's a portrait. We'll scroll down. You see these are just Bigfoot standing at a fence. So that, let's try that one. Now that came out, you know, of course this is Nano Banana Pro, but again, you know, we are doing that completely free when we do one image at a time. Okay, so we're back here to Higgsfield Soul to do that Sasquatch image, and Z image, and Revy. Okay, let's turn on unlimited for Revy, because if I run it the way it is, you know, it will cost a couple credits because, you know, we are in the fast queue. But, you know, to get the unlimited, you're in the standard queue, but that really doesn't take that long. So this is the Higgsfield Soul. It's all right. Z image, I think, looks pretty darn good. And Revy, I'm not a fan of that. I'm really not a fan of that. But, you know, each model interprets images differently. So let's do it in Nano Banana Pro quick. And see, I'm just that gave that too much of a human face, I think. Revy. Higgsfield, I think, gave it too much of a cartoony look. I'm going to choose Higgsfield Soul again, and I'm going to turn on Prompt Enhance, and we'll see if that makes a difference for us. Alrighty, and this was turning on Prompt Enhancer. I still think it looks a little too cartoonish in the face, but again, you know, check Higgsfield out. It might be just the tool you're looking for. There are a variety. Like I said, there are so many different tools in here. You may want to use the multiple different video generators, multiple image generation models, and different tools that you can use in here. Is definitely worth checking out. So I'll leave the link for you below in the description. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. And again, thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next video.